Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of X, Twitter. You will go to settings, then in this page you will go down until you find apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to this window and you will search about X, Twitter, and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.